Assalamu alaikum friends, hope you guys are doing great. Today in this video I will show how to make a professional look passport size photo. So without delay, let's start. At first, crop this image to passport size photo. Select crop tool, width 3.5 centimeter, height 4.5 centimeter, resolution 300. For better color result you can put 5 to 600, but 300 is good enough for printing. Now make the photo vertically straight, upright if it is not, and press enter. And we have made it to passport size. Now we have to remove the background, because passport photo background is usually blue or white. Now select the man. You can use pen tool or marquee tool, but here I will use quick selection tool. So far we have selected the man, but the ear is not selected. No problem, we can select that later. Okay. Now select add a mask. The background is removed. Now take a new layer and fill with white foreground color. Select paint bucket tool, fill the layer. Drag the layer below. If we want, we can change the background color. To change background, hold Ctrl and U from keyboard to get hue saturation. Here, check the colorize box and change the background. OK. Now we will fix the photo. Select layer mask and fix the image. Select brush tool and change the foreground color to black. Delete the edge of the hair. Here the ear is not in the selection. To retrieve the ear, change the foreground color to white and paint here to get the image back. Change the foreground color black and delete it. Foreground color black to delete the image and foreground color white to retrieve the image. This is the advantage of layer masking. Okay, almost done. But in the hair, we can see previous background is still visible. To fix this, click on Layer Thumbnail and select eyedropper tool and pick the sample of the hair color. With paintbrush tool, opacity around 50%, paint on the edge of the hair to change the color. Similarly here, with eyedropper tool, take the sample color and with brush tool, paint here. Okay, almost done. Now we need to focus on the face. Select spot healing brush tool and click on the spots to remove. Click and remove all the pimples and the spots. So far so good. Okay, now brighten the image. Hold Ctrl from keyboard and click on layer mask to select the image. From create new fill, select labels. Adjust the labels here to get a brighter complexion. OK. Now select these three layers, click right button of the mouse Select Merge Layers to merge the layer. The photo is almost ready. To create border around, go to Edit tab, select Stroke, width 1 pixel, color black, OK, and the location center, OK. So far we have created the border. Now we have to create a safety area around the photo. Go to Image, click Canvas Size, select %, increase the width 106, height 106, click OK. We have created the safety area around the photo. Now create new layer, set the foreground color white, with Paint Bucket tool, fill the layer, drag it down, and we have created the white line around. Now select this layer, press Ctrl E to merge the layer, and our passport photo is ready. Now we'll see how to arrange photos for printing. Go to File, click New, select A4 size paper, click Create. OK. Now go to passport photo and select Move tool, drag it to the new document and let go. Now arrange the photo for printing. Make the background layer invisible. Use ruler to keep bleed area. Press Alt and Shift from keyboard and click and drag to copy and paste. Select this 5 layer and make a group. Hold Alt and Shift key from keyboard again and click and drag to copy and paste. And now our document is ready for printing. Make this background layer visible, and from File we can go to Print option to print our document. It's all ready for printing. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you have enjoyed this video, and if you do, please consider subscribing to my channel and like, comment and share this video. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.